Jeremy here, going to play a round of TDM on Operation Metro 2014. I'm going to run an assault class. The Detroit Tigers are playing the first game against the Orioles tonight. Actually, I think the game's just about to start, so I'm just going to run this round and go watch the game. So let's see. I don't understand. DICE released that patch for Battlefield 4 yesterday. How do I get out of here? Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. All right. So how do I deploy? Come on. I don't get it. I guess I need to wait. Okay, here we go. Yeah, they just released the patch last night or yesterday afternoon, and really made some great improvements. But I wasn't quite sure. Maybe it's just waiting for everybody to get situated or whatever. All right. Anyways, let's rock and roll here. Okay. Well, there you go. I got a kill assist, but whatever. Oh, nice, bro. Thank you. Well, I'm supposed to say thank you. Okay, let's just go run around this way. Operation Metro can be great during, it can be very hectic during, like, domination and conquest. I don't know what that fucker was doing. He was just standing there. My aim blows, as I've mentioned in previous videos. I don't know. I don't like being in here. Maybe. Oh shit. Okay. Well, I'm getting out of here.
Get me a medic!
Wow. God. I tried to drop shot that dude. Another nice thing they have is being a medic now, you can see how much time you have to resuscitate your downed friendly. Alright, I am up in a building. Well, yeah, it was a shotgun. 2 and 2 off the bat. Domination is my game, but on these other maps, I can't seem to find really anybody playing Domination anymore. Just TDM, really. Unless you do Battlefield 4, I mean, if you do the original maps. But other than that, it's usually, I gotta focus on this. Need medic in? There's some med pack. Alright, bro. Let's go over here. Yeah, I don't want to go up there. This tree is in my freaking way, bro. Well, taken out by a sniper. Another thing about it is I only got one grenade now. They reduced the amount of grenades you can have. So instead of 2 RGOs, which I usually carry, now I have 1 frag. So I want to really try to make it work. You can only use that grenade once. Let's go up here, man. Alright. That's sniper. There he is. I'm not going to be able to get a sniper from this distance. Especially behind cover. Best thing to do is probably try to flank him around here by this bus. Throw a grenade up there? Well, you know, I'm just about to give up on this game. Scallion. Fuck. I'm off to a real crappy start. 2 and 5. That sniper's still up there. Obviously my grenade didn't do shit. Oh shit! Well, I didn't realize there was 2 of them in there. Thought that dude was gonna try to teabag me. Alright. Oh! Get me out of here.
Вот вам ваша медицинская помощь. Дайте патроны!
Is there a cat still up there? Well, that was just idiotic of me. Knowing that my guys are shooting in that direction, you know, and to me just go run out there recklessly is just... There he is again, a fucking sniper, dude. That's the best shot to pick him off, the sniper with the M16. I like that new hit marker. Oh, nice. Nice. Not bad at all, man.
Обнаружен!
Oh, well, I just wasted my single grenade. Well, there you go. Once again, my aim sucks, and I'm going against a bulldog. And a bulldog's got real shitty accuracy. It bounces all over the place. Ah, you know, whatever. Like I said, I'm not that good. 4 and 7. What an embarrassment. All the rounds of Battlefield I've played, and I still suck ass. There's that sniper again, isn't he? Damn douchebag, dude. I didn't even have a chance. I didn't even have a chance. Stallion again. Huh. Oh, thanks, bro. Didn't get thanks in there, but whatever. Now, why don't I throw myself down a medkit instead of... There we go, finally it's some accuracy, eh? Ah! Oh shit, he's right there. Okay. What is he still dancing around for? Did you see that? That was fucking crazy, bro. Alright. Well, I got blinded there by that laser pointer or whatever. Red dot sight, but jeez. I do love that 93R handgun though. I think it does 2 or 3 burst shots. Whatever, it's... there he is again. I gotta get out of here. Oh! The frag actually killed the guy! See that? Quite surprised. But the frag, you know, it's got the largest blast radius. I just have one of them. Alright, pretty cool, Matt. Well, there he is again. These guys just love this building here, don't they? Well, I got stuck at that fucking gate! Ah. Oh, I gotta calm down, man. This game gets me all fired up sometimes. Alright, bro, let's go around this way. I'll follow you. One of my guys are down. These guys love that fucking building, don't they? Nice move, dude. Well, gotta get out of here. I'm getting shot at. Trying to give that cat some help. See if I can flank him around back here. Come on, man, get out. Oh, great. Oh, fuck is this? Hey, dude. Hey, finally something in my favor a little bit. God Yeah, I'm gonna try to go. Well, these guys are all over here, man. Let me see if I can get up top here and try to. That's my bad. Well, once again, the bulldog from a distance too. Yeah, got a suppression assist on that. All right. And what the fuck was that, bro? Well, that was dumb.
На тебе! Медпакет возьми! Вот, возьми!
All right. I love that building, dude. Up there's a cat right there. Oh, I did see him. There he is. Cool, thanks, brother. Where are the? Oh, shit! This dude's right over here, man. I'm not jumping down there though. Yeah. Oh, fuck! I should've. Claymore, right there on the staircase.
Обнаружен вражеского солдата.
Mark that guy. Uh-oh, I lost. Where did that guy go? He was just here. Get out of here.
Вот тебе! Медпакет!
Well, I lost that guy. Couldn't resuscitate him. Flank, I see a guy coming this way. Nice, nice. Oh, what the hell was that? A brick or something?
Come on, brothers. They're killing us. We need to turn this around.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do, man. I don't know if I like this, man. Being out in the open like this, bro.
Вот тебе! Медпакет!
Hey, let me just get healed up here a bit. Come around this way.
Keep it up.
Обнаружен вражеского солдата!
And that,
Вы ранены? Давайте помогу!
well, this is stupid. I'm overrunning.
Let's keep it up. Only 5 more to take out.
Wow. Told you that gun is badass, bro. 93R.
Only 1 more to go. Come on, let's do this.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. Yeah, that guy went to the light, man.
Медпакет! Вот!
Yeah. Oh, I'm almost out of ammo. 21 counts. Well, that's the end of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great evening. Or afternoon or morning. Whatever.